week on the Tentrade account instant funded. Guys, we are back again. Welcome back to the channel, and we are trying to get $3,000 all the way to a level of payout. We started with the evaluation account on Tentrade, and I've been trading it. I passed the evaluation account, posted it here on YouTube, and I'm right now at a point where I'm about to get my funds. Alright, so I'm looking out for a trade idea for this week. It could just be one trade idea or two trade ideas, and from there, if it goes profitably, what I'm going to do is very simple: place my withdrawals. And the withdrawal process of Tentrade is going to be done everything here, so you guys can see for yourself how withdrawal processes are so fast with Tentrade. So my account balance stands at $3,002 as of the last video where I ended. This is a Monday, you can check out here. I have not taken any trade for the week. It is still Monday. There are a lot of confluences that I'm waiting for to come into play so that I eventually take a trade. So those confirmations I'm talking about, they have not yet happened, and I'm just about to show you right now on the screen so that you can see. I'll explain that in a second. But before that, this is where I'm just being patient because I don't have any trade idea for today, which is a Monday. Only tomorrow that I might have a trade idea. So I'll just explain that, then tomorrow you're going to see my trade ideas, or you see my trade ideas for tomorrow. Either ways. So this is the setup for Monday, and you can see that we have a previous bullish candle that closed here, and this is the current candle, which is a bearish candle for Monday. So I will trade on two conditions. So if we have a bearish candle going all the way down and closing here below this previous bullish candle, that's really a sign that we are going bearish for tomorrow, right? Because the order flow of the market here has changed. So I'll be looking for sell opportunities for the market to drop all the way down to this support zone here. So if you go on the 4-hour time frame, there is a minor support zone on the 4-hour time frame here. It came with a week on the 4-hour time frame. That was Friday. Went back up. We had price playing around this zone here, here, and here. So if you have a breakout of the zone, that's going to give us a lot of confidence, telling us that the market is definitely coming to this next support zone, which is double confirmation. That is why I am not trading, because whatever the market is doing today, it just requires me to be patient. I just have to wait for this breakout to happen. Once the breakout happens tomorrow, we'll go in for the sales. So right now on USD, that's DXY. DXY for this week looks bearish. As of what I am seeing, I'm looking at the market. DXY looks bearish based on where it closed from and where the market is currently at. It actually looks bearish, and I want to show you in a sec. So this is the chart of DXY, as you can see on the daily time frame, and look at what the market is doing here. It looks as if it's ranging. If it closes bullish, then we know that it's about to start going up. That would definitely mean a sell for pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD. But if it doesn't do that, if this candle, pay attention to this candle. If this current candle, which is the Monday's bullish candle, doesn't close above previous points of resistance, that's like up here, if it doesn't do that, then we definitely know that the XY is still bearish. And that would definitely mean that the buys on GBP USD is going to be valid, and the buys on Euro USD is still going to be valid. So there will be no reason for me trying to sell DXY, whereas trying to sell GBP USD, it doesn't make sense. DXY has to go down so that GBP USD has to go up. If DXY is going up, then GBP USD should be going down. That's the bias. But then overall for the structure tomorrow, I'm looking out for a break of structure, a retest of that same structure, and then sell off to the same zone here. It's officially Tuesday, and a lot of you are not going to imagine what even happened to me today, guys. I took a trade on GBP USD this morning. Sales, the trade is still running, but there is good news. All right, there's good news. So Euro JPY was a trade idea for me breaking Tuesday morning. I took the trade. That's Asian session, guys. It was crazy. So I have this trade idea. That's the screenshot there where I took a buy, and bro, like this trade played with me in the evening. Like it was playing with me the whole time. I was just watching, like this thing go up and come back down, go up and come back down. I was like just watching this thing, and then the way it was playing and going up and coming back down. And then eventually I fell, I fell asleep. I started sleeping. Then 30 minutes after, I woke up and boom, one long candle was up there. Like this was a crazy trading experience, trust me. And one thing that I really enjoyed about this trade idea was I was really confident about it, so I took maximum advantage of this trade, and the trade eventually went into profit. These my profits that I made. I've already done my profit split on the broker, and everything is there already. So I want to show you exactly why I did this trade and how it went about. So this is the reason why I bought, guys. So we had price coming down to the trend line. We had a W pattern, that's first top, first bottom, second bottom. Price liquidated with this sell move here. My entry was literally up here, and then I bought. All right, so I bought, it was euro JPY on 1 hour time frame. So I bought upon this liquidation. This is the liquidation with the candle, bullish candle, where I bought, and price move all the way up here. That's how I exited. So it is upon this trade that I made my most profits. And now the reason why I really bought was because if you look at the trend of the market, it's a bullish market. It's literally going up, and I was trying to buy in the direction of the market, literally, because you want to trade in the direction of the market, not against what the market is telling you. This is the other trade on GBP/USD I do, guys. So I look at the trend here on GBP/USD. It's a bullish trend where I also was looking for sales on this day, and this is exactly why I got stopped out, trading against the trend. And this is opposed to the trade on euro JPY. You can see here that here I was trying to sell, even though the sell idea was the fact that the market was ranging and we potentially could have some sell. That's a bearish day for the market to come back to previous support zone, but that didn't happen. They're still on a bullish market, and I was trying to trade against the trend. That's why I easily got stopped out on GBP/USD. The losses on GBP/USD, I understood that it was against the trend. That's why I didn't trade, and I didn't take the opportunity seriously. I didn't put a lot of lot sizes into this trade. I didn't go in with so much risk. I took just 1% risk on this trade, and that 1% got stopped out. That was basically because it was against the trend. And yeah, I understood that it was against the trend, but I had a breakout on the 1 hour time frame, which gave me a sell confluence. But then, for the fact that it was just against the trend, was enough reason for me to not want to risk so much on this trade, of which it was still a bullet which I dodged in a sense. But trades like this, I really don't cherish taking them, trading against the trend. So that's my updates for how I got my money. That's how my updates of how I got the trades and got my withdrawals. If you're enjoying this video, you love this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and turn on post notifications so that this video can be recommended to so many more people. Right? So bro, you watching this video, also I want to tell you a little thing. If you want to sign up with Tentrade, the link is just in the bio below. Alright, so everything I'm doing is trading on my Tentrade instant funded account, doing my withdrawals and showing you guys that it is real and possible. And now I have already done that everything here live on YouTube. Very interesting. If you have problems or you want to talk to me one-on-one, you can still get to the comment section or the description box below. You will definitely have a link there, a WhatsApp link. It's going to take you directly to my DM. We can talk, we can say market things, exchange ideas. I'm open to doing all of those things. As for today is still Tuesday, so I'm just down 1% on my account right now, and I'll be looking out for the next trade ideas. So this is my next trade projection on GBP/USD. So this is my next trade idea on GBP/USD. I'm waiting for price to come back down to this support area, which is going to be a support area. You can see price retested from here. I'm holding for price to come down here, and then I want price to touch on this trend line as well, giving me a confirmation. Now when I scale to lower time frames such as 15-minute time frame, if I wanted to scale 15-minute, let's say 30-minute time frame for instance, now I'll be waiting for a pattern around this zone. That's a W pattern, something more like a W pattern, and then I'll start entering in for more buys, because the trend of the market on GBP/USD is a bullish market. So I'm looking to buy more, and I want to buy more here so that the price should get back again up here and give me some profits. with this trade I'll be able to recover my drawdowns. That's 1% drawdown already. So that's it for the week, and that's my trade idea. That's my projection for what I'm looking at on GBP USD, and I really feel confident about this trade idea. I'm sure it's going to give me money again. I'm very sure. When it does that, I will still do withdrawals here again. For those of you who keep telling me Tentrade this, Tentrade that, I'll do withdrawals again here until you see that this thing actually works. This thing actually works, guys. And I've been doing withdrawals. Today is not the first time. This is not the second time. This is not the third time I've done withdrawals from Tentrade. I've been doing withdrawals back to back. So that's it for the video. Peace out, guys.